The Bible says uBaba Philip went to Samaria eyoshumayela ivangeli. Abantu baseSamaria base beyaphenduka. Kwase kuthunyelwa abapostoli ukuthi beze eSamaria ukuzobamkelisa umoya ongcwele.
Nakuso lesi sikhathi samanje inqola yevangeli yehlele phezu komhlaba waseLesotho yashumayela ivangeli basindiswa abantu. Ngakho-ke abapostoli bazobe bengenisile kuwo lo mhlaba ukuzobamkelisa umoya ongcwele ngobeko lwezandla.
Siyanibingelela abathandi nabalandeli benqola yevangeli. Siyajabula ukunazisa ukuthi ngomhla ka-8 kuMarch kuwona lo nyaka sizobe sinenkonzo yesilingi yokuqala ezobe ihostwe inqola yevangeli outside the borders of South Africa eLesotho. Le nkonzo izobe iseButhabutha Community High School eButhabutha, which is a town closer to the Caledon Sport border pass. We therefore tried to simplify traveling logistics as seen on the screen. We have fathers and brothers across South Africa who will be of your great help according to your location. Okwakho nje ukufonela inamba engaphansi kweprovince noma idolobho oseduze. Sithanda ukugqugquzela nokukhumbuza bonke abanentshisekelo yokuba khona enkonzweni ukuthi baphathe ama-passports ukuze konke kuzokwenzeka ngokusemthethweni when we pass all the borders. Siyinqola yevangeli singakujabulela kakhulu ukuba khona kwakho, nawe, kanye nawe futhi. For more information, please leave a comment down below and we will gladly reply. Siyabonga kakhulu.